Hello class 2, welcome back to your EVS class. Today our topic is lesson number 5, plant life. So plants are our friends and we get our food and many other things like medicine, flower, vegetables, fruits from plants. And there are different types of plant around us. All these types of plants are categorized. First, plants are grouped according to their size. So, the plants are classified into 4 groups according to their size. That is trees, herbs, shrubs and climbers. First, trees. Tall plants with woody stem are called trees, and trees have trunk and many branches. Like for example, mango tree, banyan tree, etc. Herbs are very small plants and they have soft stem. Okay, they are called herbs. Cabbage, spinach are the example of herbs. Now shrubs, small plant with hard stem are called shrubs. Okay, like rose, tulsi, hibiscus are the example of shrubs. Actually, trees means big plant, herbs means small plant, and shrubs means medium plant. Climbers. Some plants have very weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. They need support. They are called climbers plant. Okay. Like for example, pea plant, money plant, they are climber plant. Now plants group according to their habitat. So according to their habitat, we can divide plant into 4 types: terrestrial plant, aquatic plant, mountain plant and desert plant. Terrestrial plants are those plants that grow on land. For example, mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, etc. Aquatic plants are those plants that grow in the water, like lotus, lily, hyacinth, okay, etc. Mountain plants that grow in hilly mountain area or in cold region, they are called mountain plant. Very easy. Pine, fir, they are mountain plant. Now desert plant. Some plants grow in desert area and they have thorn. They are called desert plant. For example, cactus, dates, etc. Okay. So very easy and very important, that is plants group according to their size and plants group according to their habitat. এটা কিন্তু ভালো করে পড়বে with example. Okay. Now come to parts of a plant. A plant has mainly 2 parts, stem and root. Stem part means that grow above the soil and root means that grow under the soil. Okay. And stem has many branches that bear leaves, buds, flower and fruits. Okay, just 800 parts of plant, just go through করে নেবেন. Now very important, that is plants give us. Plant আমাদের কি দেয়? Not only food, plant gives us oxygen, very important. So oxygen, medicine, wood, oil seed, gum, resin, rubber, paper, perfume, tea, coffee. Okay, এত কিছু সবই আমরা প্ল্যান্টের থেকে পাই। And see, এই যে plants gives us বলে যে জিনিসগুলো নাম দেওয়া আছে, just read the names only. Okay, ডিটেলসে পড়ার কোনো প্রয়োজন নেই। তোমরা একবার ডিটেলসে go through করে নিতে পারো, that's all. So now come to your worksheet part. Your test yourself part, this part I mention in your worksheet. So I discussed with you the answers. Listen carefully. First, fill in the blanks with the suitable answer given below. See, answer is already given. Acacia, rose, oxygen, coconut, climbers. You have to use the answer. First, dash plant gives us perfume. So the answer is rose. Rose plant gives us perfume. B. Dash plant gives us gum. Acacia plant gives us gum. Answer is acacia. We get oil from dash plant. From coconut plant. Answer is coconut. So এইভাবে do it yourself and do it in your book. State true or false. Number 2. Small plants are called trees. This is false. So write false. Bamboo plant gives us perfume. This is again false. So write false. Like this, C, D, E, do it yourself and do it in your book. Sorry. Tick the correct answer. Number 3. Jasmine plant gives us dash. There are 3 options for you. Wood, perfume, pepper. So jasmine plant gives us perfume. Number 2 is the correct answer. So put a tick mark just. Tulsi is a dash. Herb, shrubs, trees. Tulsi is a shrub. Number 2. Okay, so put a tick mark. Like this, C, D, E, do it yourself and do it in your book. Come to the match. See, number 4, match the following columns. There are 2 columns. You have to match them. আর তোমরা তো জানো ম্যাচ কিভাবে করতে হবে। সো স্মল প্ল্যান্টস আর কল হার্বস। ওকে, স্মল প্ল্যান্ট হার্বস, এইভাবে তোমরা ম্যাচটা করবে। নাও কাম টু কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার পার্ট, অ্যান্ড ম্যাচটা তোমরা বুকেতেই করো। কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার পার্ট। নাম্বার 8, নেম 4 থিংস দ্যাট উই গেট ফ্রম প্ল্যান্টস। এটা আমি বলছি না, এটা নিজেরা লিখবে। অ্যান্ড ডু ইট ইন ইয়োর কপি। কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো কপিতে করো। From where we get our food? Very easy. We get our food from plants. See, how are plants classified according to their sizes? So according to their sizes, plants are classified into 4 categories. Trees, herbs, shrubs and climbers. এইভাবে D and E, do it yourself. See, E, write difference between terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Very easy. Terrestrial plant means plants that grow on land, with example, and aquatic plant means plants that grow in water, with example. এইভাবে লিখবে কিন্তু, okay? So that's all done, and things to do part, cross it out. I hope you all understand our today's class. See you in the next class. এইভাবেই কিন্তু কাজগুলো করো। টাটা।